Hello everyone! Ready for today's recipe? Stop boiling eggs directly in water. Have you ever boiled eggs and had the whites float all over the pot like this? Today, I'm going to share a smart egg cooking tip with you that will keep your eggs from cracking and make them as easy to peel as they are at a 5-star restaurant. First, I place a pot on the stove. Add about 500 milliliters of water. Turn the heat to high to bring the water to a boil. Once the water is boiling, I place a strainer over the pot. Make sure the water level doesn't touch the bottom of the strainer. I gently place 2 eggs inside the strainer, cover the pot tightly, and cook over medium heat for about 7 to 10 minutes. This method is similar to steaming eggs with steam. The hot steam circulates evenly around the eggs, allowing them to cook slowly, minimizing shell cracking, while keeping the whites tender and the yolks with a beautiful texture. Now, while we wait, I'll show you another way to boil eggs. First, I'll get 4 fresh eggs ready. I place each egg in its designated spot in the tray and close the lid. Without any special tools, I put the entire egg tray in the oven and bake it at 160 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. While we wait, I'm going to rinse out a large, empty milk carton and get it ready for the next step. Now I'm going to use a knife to cut off both ends of the milk carton. And used scissors to cut along the 2 corners to remove 2 pieces of cardboard with pre-folded creases. You might be wondering what a milk carton could possibly have to do with eggs, but trust me, this simple item is about to come in handy. Now, let's go back to the first batch of eggs in the pot. After about 7 minutes, I remove the eggs from the strainer, let them cool slightly, then gently peel them. Then, using the back of a spoon, I gently tap the shells all around to create small cracks. The shells loosen easily, allowing me to peel them away smoothly and cleanly without damaging the egg whites. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. But if hard-boiled eggs have become too boring for you, let me share a tip to make them much more interesting. First, place a sheet of plastic wrap on the cutting board. Next, I prepare 5 skewers and place them on top of the plastic wrap, arranging them so the spacing between the skewers is even. Now take 2 hard-boiled eggs, place them in the center of the plastic wrap, and roll it up tightly until all the plastic wrap is used up. Use a rubber band to secure it, ensuring the skewers hug the eggs tightly. That completes the initial shaping step. Now, let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes to allow the eggs to set, according to the skewer mold. By this time, the eggs were done baking. I took the egg tray out of the oven and used a small spoon to gently tap the surface of each egg while they were still hot to create small cracks in the shells. Next, I prepare a bowl of cold water. And soak the eggs for about 5 minutes. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Then, I place the eggs in a container with a lid. Add about 50 milliliters of water and seal the lid tightly. Instead of peeling off each piece of shell, I simply shake the container evenly for about 10 to 15 seconds. Thanks to the water seeping between the shell and the egg's membrane, the shell peels off very quickly without tearing the egg's surface. Now, just open the lid and gently peel, and you'll have smooth, intact eggs. I'll cut one open to show you. Wow, the egg white is soft and smooth, the yolk is cooked evenly, and it looks absolutely delicious. But if eating hard-boiled eggs has become too boring for you, let me share another really fun trick with you using the remaining 3 eggs. Now it's time to put those milk carton pieces we prepared earlier to work. Place the pointed end of the egg on the fold at the corner of the flap. On top, I place a bamboo skewer along the length of the egg and use a rubber band to secure both ends tightly. Do the same with the other egg. It's so great to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Then, put them in the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes so the eggs retain their new shape. Once the time is up, simply cut off the rubber band and gently remove the plastic wrap. Thanks to the skewers, the plain boiled egg has now been shaped into even, uniform patterns, looking just like beautiful little flowers. Next, I carefully cut one of the eggs in half to reveal the inside. The flower-shaped edges look even more impressive, while the yolk sits perfectly in the center. It's great to connect with people from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Once I'm done, I arrange the eggs neatly on a plate, ready to serve and enjoy. These flower-shaped eggs look beautiful on the plate, making a simple boiled egg feel extra special. Simple, creative, and absolutely beautiful. By now, the 15 minutes were up, so I took the eggs out of the refrigerator. As soon as I untied the string and removed the eggs, a surprise appeared right before our eyes. The boring hard-boiled eggs had now transformed into incredibly cute heart shapes, perfect for decorating lunchboxes, breakfasts, or small parties. Now it's time to slice the heart-shaped eggs. Just look at those beautiful heart patterns. They turned out so cute and unique. Once they're neatly sliced, I'll arrange them on a plate, ready to enjoy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is what motivates me to keep sharing more simple and healthy cooking tips every day. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos.